Tired of juggling multiple pots, pans, and appliances just to get dinner on the table? Meet the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker, the ultimate kitchen multitasker that replaces 7 gadgets in one. Imagine pressure cooking tender ribs in minutes, slow cooking hearty stews, whipping up perfect rice, or even making homemade yogurt, all with just one device. With 13 smart programs, a stainless steel tri-ply pot, and one-touch cooking, this powerhouse makes meal prep faster, easier, and smarter. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and packed with 10+ safety features so you can cook with confidence. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep pro, or just craving home-cooked meals without the hassle, the Instant Pot Duo is your ticket to delicious, stress-free cooking. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? Let's dive in. Get yours now and cook smarter. Why the Instant Pot Duo stands out. The Instant Pot Duo isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a revolutionary all-in-one cooking solution. Here's what makes it a must-have. 7-in-1 versatility. This single appliance replaces 7 different kitchen tools. Pressure cooker, cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. Slow cooker, simmer stews, soups, and roasts like Grandma used to make. Rice cooker, perfect fluffy rice every time. Steamer, healthy veggie and seafood steaming. Sauté pan, brown meats and onions directly in the pot. Yogurt maker, homemade yogurt with ease. Food warmer and sterilizer, keep meals warm or sterilize baby bottles. With this kind of flexibility, you can reduce countertop clutter while enjoying restaurant-quality meals at home. Smart, one-touch cooking with 13 customizable programs. The Instant Pot Duo takes the guesswork out of cooking with 13 preset smart programs, including soup or broth, meat or stew, bean or chili, rice, yogurt, cake, egg, steam, sauté, slow cook, keep warm, sterilize, and multigrain. Each setting is adjustable, allowing you to tweak cooking times and pressure levels for perfect results. Faster cooking without sacrificing flavor. Pressure cooking is the star feature here, drastically cutting down cooking times without losing taste or nutrients. A dish that normally takes hours, like pulled pork or beef stew, can be ready in under an hour. Plus, the tri-ply stainless steel inner pot ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and burning. Easy to clean and maintain. Nobody likes scrubbing stubborn food residue. Fortunately, the Instant Pot Duo is designed for hassle-free cleaning. Fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior, dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot and accessories, non-stick stainless steel pot that's safe for sautéing. Safety first, 10+ built-in protections. Pressure cooking can seem intimidating, but the Instant Pot Duo includes advanced safety mechanisms, such as overheat protection, safe locking lid, automatic pressure control, leak-proof sealing, and burn warning systems. These features ensure safe, worry-free cooking, even for beginners. Perfect for families and meal preppers. With a 6-quart capacity, this cooker is ideal for families of 4 to 6, meal preppers who batch cook for the week, or singles or couples who want leftovers. It's also great for entertaining, allowing you to prepare large portions of ribs, chili, or desserts with minimal effort. Free Instant Brands Connect app with 800 recipes. Stuck in a cooking rut? The free Instant Pot app, iOS and Android, provides 800 recipes, step-by-step cooking guides, and customizable meal plans. Whether you're craving butter chicken, cheesecake, or homemade yogurt, the app has you covered. What real users say? With over 130,000 reviews and a 4.6 to 5-star rating, the Instant Pot Duo is a customer favorite. Here's why. Saves so much time, perfect for busy weeknights. Replaced my slow cooker, rice cooker, and steamer, now I have counter space again. The yogurt function is a game changer for healthy eating, and easy to use even for someone who's never pressure cooked before. Final verdict? Is the Instant Pot Duo worth it? Absolutely. If you want an all-in-one kitchen powerhouse that saves time with lightning-fast pressure cooking, saves space by replacing multiple appliances, delivers consistent, delicious results, makes cleanup a breeze, and offers foolproof safety features, then the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 is a must-buy. Where to buy? Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Get the Instant Pot Duo 6-quart on Amazon today. With its versatility, speed, and convenience, this Instant Pot model remains a top-rated kitchen essential, perfect for home cooks of all skill levels. Say goodbye to kitchen clutter and hello to effortless, delicious meals.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.